Yeah, we about to watch this shit called One Guy, One Screwdriver. I ain't never personally seen it, but this is my cousin right here, Alex. And we about to go ahead and watch this shit and we about to see what the fuck this about. So man. Alright.
Damn, he got the. What the fuck is that?
You are demons. I think the only
The fuck is
thing
that?
blood.
It's a pulling screwdriver out his dick! No!
That's real.
No, nigga, no!
It won't stop bleeding.
Nigga's a nerd! Oh shit! Damn! How the fuck did he?
I don't know, man. That might be like doctor.
Nah, man.
Like a damn ice pick.
How the fuck he get a screwdriver in his dick the first place?
I'm okay though. Believe it or not.
Damn!
Like you ever went to like a clinic, like